Heard the advice to fix clay soil by mixing in sand? Don't do it. Instead of fluffy soil, you'll end up with something like concrete, worse than what you started with. Clay's tiny particles pack tightly, leaving no room for air or water, suffocating plant roots. Tilling or digging aggressively just breaks down what little structure exists, making compaction even worse. After rain, tilled clay turns to muck. When dry, it's a brick. The real problem isn't the clay itself, it's the structure. Clay is rich in nutrients but needs better structure for roots, air, and water. Don't fight clay. Work with it. The goal is to encourage natural clumping and pore spaces, not to force it into submission. The secret? A gentle, patient approach that mimics nature. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes with clay soil. First, aggressive tilling. It destroys soil structure and creates a hard pan that traps water and roots. Second, adding sand. Without lots of organic matter, you're making concrete, not better soil. Third, working wet clay. Walking or digging compacts it further, turning it into a solid mass when dry. Always check. If a squeezed handful forms a sticky ball, it's too wet. Wait before working. Finally, neglect. Leaving clay bare bakes it hard and washes away structure. Without mulch or plant cover, the soil becomes even less fertile. Healthy soil needs protection and organic input. Don't overwork, but don't ignore it either. Mulch and roots are your best allies. Avoid these mistakes, and you're halfway to better soil. Let nature do the heavy lifting. The real fix for clay? Add organic matter. On top, not mixed in. Layer compost, leaves, or wood chips right on the surface. No digging needed. This mimics how forests build soil. Organic matter breaks down, worms pull it in, and structure improves. Over time, clay particles clump into aggregates, creating air and water channels. Deep-rooted cover crops like daikon radish or fava beans help break up clay naturally. Their roots drill down, then decompose, leaving channels for water and air. Focus on feeding the soil, not fighting it. Gypsum? Only if a soil test says you need it, otherwise skip it. Most gardeners just need compost and cover crops. Let nature's processes transform your clay. Top-down organic matter and living roots are the real solution. Be patient. Results build season after season. Healthy soil is a long game, but it pays off. Once you've improved your soil, protect it. Avoid digging. Disturbance breaks down structure. Use a no-dig approach. Part the mulch, plant, and leave the rest undisturbed. Always keep soil covered with mulch to feed microbes and prevent compaction. Think of soil as a bank. Harvests are withdrawals. Compost is your deposit. Add fresh compost every season to keep soil fertile. Healthy soil is alive. Feed it, don't fight it. Work with nature, not against it, and your garden will thrive. Your soil's future is in your hands.